I've been trying to eat less meat, so I was wondering if I could make white bean cheeseburger that I feel like holds up. I've got some kind of neutral oil, golden side down first. Just give it a quick fry, flip. So we're literally just toasting. Step 2 is the avocado fries. Yes, I said avocado fries. We've got avocado. We did them in a little bit of egg wash, some Parmesan, and some breadcrumbs. You want to cook these incredibly quick in your hot oil. I've got some honey that I put some chili flakes in. You know when this will go bad? Never. Give it a quick flip. Thank you. Julie, salt. Don't you just wish you could just say salt and it shows up? A little bit of salt over the top. Grab these guys out. Bowl. This is too much. We got some white beans, and I'm just gonna mash these up. Leave a little bit of texture. Parmesan, breadcrumbs. Make a little hole in the middle. Throw an egg in there. Everything becomes one. I'm gonna grab, I would say this is about tennis ball. Flatten this down, lay it right in. A little bit of salt over the top to give this guy a little flip. Provolone cheese, it's a cheeseburger. So we're gonna lay it right on top. Come on! Next to those avocado fries now, don't forget a little bit of that spicy honey. I'm excited to dive into that, man. That looks good. For more recipes, head to my website, joelgamoran.com. I'm gonna eat this alone.